Hi everybody, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm gonna unbox my Zenpop stationery box for October. I'm hoping there's some Halloween type items in here. I know last year there was, and it was a fun box. So hopefully we have some this year too. I'm sure they won't let us down. So let's see what is in my October box. And this box comes every month, straight from Japan. So let's see here. We have him, cute little bunny. Product info is online. You can learn all about the new items you received on our info website. Love from Luna and the Zenpop team in Osaka. All right, and then here is the contest that you can enter if you make things with your stationery. You can send it in. Here is their info. All right, and they have the snack box, the ramen pack, the stationery pack, and the ramen and the sweets mix pack. And I get the stationery pack. All right, let's see what we have. I see some little monsters. All right, first we have a pencil. It's a Halloween pencil. It says Happy Halloween with the cute little pumpkin eraser. So that's fun. And we have some Halloween washi tape. Super fun. I like the bright colors. Let's see, let's open this. Okay, let's see here. They give you a good amount too. It's always good quality from them. I like it. And of course, I can't get it open. There we go. There it is. It's cute. It's got some shiny pumpkins. The hat on and different ones. I like the purple shiny one. Yeah, it's a good amount. That's fun. I'll be using that. And we have a washi tape cutter. Let's see here. Open this too. That's cute. Got some little veggies on there. And a memo. A clip. Yep. Like, basically like Legos. A Lego look-alike black clip. Oh, I like that one right there. That's cool. Make a couple different things. Must be what's telling you what it can hold. Cute. Is there looks like there's some in there. This would probably take me forever to open. Okay, let me see. I think it's just right here. I think I can get it open. Yep. I want to see what's in there. Oh, okay, just here's the little clips. And that one. All right. We saw that. Oh, this is cute. A black memo pad. Some fun little monster characters. Look at him. I like him right there. Cute. He's cute too. They're all cute in their own way. All right, let's see. We will open this too. Let's see some more fun things in here too. I love getting these boxes every month. Okay, let's see what we got. We got these guys. They're cute. And then the next one, or this one. And then this one. I like that one. And then this one. With the little monsters on them. And it's a thick pad. It's a nice one. I love it. So cute. All right, moving on. We have it's a pen. A zebra. Oops, I just had it. There we go. Clip pen. It's like rainbow. Let's see. I can get this off. All right. Where's my? We'll use this little paper right here. And it's pink. Pink, pink. All right. It's a cute pen. And some flake stickers. Oh, so cute. He's drinking. Oh, these are adorable. Alrighty, let's see what we have. Get these guys out. Oh, they look kind of big. They're stuck in here. There we go. Alright. I'm like a little kid just ripping everything open because I'm so excited. Oh, some big one and some little guys. They're stuck. Oh, there. A couple of them are. There's a big one. Cute. And then some of the little ones. They're kind of all sticky. I'll have to separate them. Those. I think there's one more. The bunny eating a carrot. I guess that's it. All right. Dia de Muertos. If I said that right. Oh, it's a postcard. Ooh, awesome. I love it. I love it. The artwork is amazing on it. He's wearing a mask. That's pretty, and that's a postcard. Day of the Dead. Oh, and look at this adorable little stationery. I definitely will be using this, even though it's too cute to use, but I'll let somebody else enjoy it, so I will use it. Oh, it's so cute. A sheet like that, it's like textured, and it's plain on the back. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, let's see, is there 6? Yep, 6 pieces of paper and 3 envelopes. Even the envelope is adorable. I love it. So cute. Oh, I wish I had more of that. It's so pretty. Owl sitting in a piano. So, okay, that is the Zenpop stationery box for October. So, I got this cute little Halloweenish owl stationery. The Day of the Dead postcard with great artwork. Really cute. The little mini flakes with these guys. And we got the washi cutter. We got the cute, super cute black memo pad with all the sheets in it. And you got the black clips to hold paper or whatever you want. And my nail polish just broke off, sorry about that. And this cute pink pen, Zebra Sarasa pen. Get that in, there we go. The super cute Halloween pencil with the pumpkin eraser. It says Happy Halloween. And the cute Halloween washi tape. I really like that. I can't wait to use that on sending cards out or my letters for Halloween and during the fall. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and seeing what I got in the October Zenpop stationery box. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.